I am Chef Christopher Barnum Dan, owner and executive chef sommelier of Localis in Sacramento, California. I think Localis is set apart in each person here's want and desire to create something special for each person that comes here. I think our food system is first and foremost. My favorite part of my job is trying to translate a dish with ingredients that we cannot find here, with the ingredients that we have here, and trying to recreate that memory, that food memory of eating that at that certain place. Can I make something like that using our ingredients that gives an homage to that thing that I was eating there? Our menus change monthly, so we stay fresh, and so we stay creative, and so we stay learning. This restaurant will never be the same from month to month. And I think that's kind of the focus, and that's what really we're striving for, is to constantly change, but at the same time knowing that you will always be able to trust us to feed you well.